HVAC stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. And we teach commercial, industrial, and some residential. Like the furnace in your house or boiler in your house. We do dab a little bit into the commercial refrigeration. That rack behind me, that's what that's all about. We have a 4-year program and they are actively employed. We teach them how to maintain and repair all that equipment.
And this job's pretty unique because it doesn't require years and years of school. I got in after trade school as a service tech. There's a lot of troubleshooting involved. You get to see something that doesn't work and you get to be the one to fix it.
All right, got contact.
Day typically looks like anything from a service call to working on projects to doing more preventative maintenance jobs.
With a lot of technical stuff that goes along with what we do, it's an ever-changing industry, so it's never boring. There's always something new coming along to challenge you.
Alaska at Work is part of American Graduate Getting to Work, made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting.